Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fractions and decimals together, step by step. Fractions show parts of a whole. We'll multiply and divide fractions and handle decimals with simple, reliable rules. A fraction A over B means A parts out of B equal parts. So 3/4 means 3 of 4 equal pieces. The top is the numerator, the bottom the denominator. To multiply fractions, multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. And remember, the word of means multiply. Half of 6 is 1/2 times 6. 2/3 times 3/5 is 6 over 15, which simplifies to 2/5. To divide by a fraction, flip it to its reciprocal and multiply. Dividing by 3/4 is the same as multiplying by 4/3. For decimals, multiply as whole numbers, then place the point by counting total decimal places. 1.2 times 0.3 has 2 decimal places, giving 0.36. To recap, a fraction is parts of a whole, multiply straight across, divide by flipping and multiplying, and of always means multiply. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.